Supercharge your learning experience. AI Copilot for online courses. So boost your online learning with an AI Copilot. In my case, I'm gonna use the Microsoft Copilot from Coursera. Okay. Now I'm gonna be able to enroll for free, so I can get real-time explanations, personalized study plans, smart summaries, and interactive Q&A. Right? Master concepts faster, stay organized, and enhance retention, all with AI-powered assistance. Perfect for students, professionals, and lifelong learners. So all you gotta do is just enroll for free, 6 hours to complete over the course of 3 weeks, right? You can divide that divide 2 hours per week, right? And then you can schedule your own time to finish the course. So if you're a beginner and you want to learn, you're gonna be able to enroll for free. Okay, so let's know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.